Hi, I'm Dr. Dennis Gross, New York City dermatologist and skincare expert, and a question that people often ask me is, how can I tell if my skin is thinning? Now, this is a very important question because thinning skin is why you get lines and it's why you develop wrinkles. Even sagginess is caused by thinning skin. I'm going to show you how you can tell whether your skin is thinning so that you can correct this problem fast before it gets worse or prevent the signs of aging from happening in the first place. This is the professional way you can tell, for example, if your forehead skin is thinning. Stand in front of a mirror and raise your eyebrows and hold that position for 5 seconds. Literally, count to 5 and then lower your brow back down to normal position. When you do this, if you see the lines across your forehead for a few seconds, even after you brought your brows back down, then your forehead is showing signs of thinning. Now, another technique you can use to determine if you're thinning around the eyes is to simply squint really hard, like you forgot your sunglasses and it's super sunny. Squint for 5 seconds and relax. Do you see the lines around your eyes after you stop squinting? That's the question. If you do, then your skin is thinning. And thinning skin is not the only cause of lines and wrinkles. Thinning skin can also cause looseness to the skin. Now, the best place to observe this is around the mouth and jaw. You can actually pinch the puffiness here and the sagging here. That's where thinning takes place in those areas. So now, if you found your skin is thinning, what should you do about it? How can you fix it? The question is, what causes thinning skin in the first place? And the answer is a collagen deficiency. Collagen are like the fibers in skin that are support beams that give your skin that firmness, that thickness, and gives it structure. Now, for those of you in need of an in-office solution, there are lasers that improve thinning skin. My personal favorite in my practice are the 3D laser system that uses 2 lasers at once, and Ulthera, which requires no downtime. And yes, sometimes a little Botox can be of great help, right? So thanks for watching. I hope you found this information useful. You can visit my website, dennisgrossmd.com, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos that teach you how to give your skin what it needs to look its best. I always say, the more you know, the better your skin will look, and I'm here to help you learn more.